And then, oh god, I gotta throw it away. It's awful. No. Hey guys, long time no see. It's been a while. I've been through a lot lately, so I'm sorry I haven't posted a video in a long time, but I wanted to do something special today because one of my viewers asked for a certain video like over a year ago. I am so sorry. I'm finally getting to it today. They asked me to do a video about my favorite sandwich. And I gotta be honest, I'm not much of a sandwich eater, but there is one sandwich that I love to have every summer. And it's the main reason I even grow tomatoes in the first place. It is a classic tomato sandwich. And of course, to have a sandwich, you gotta have bread. So I'm gonna make some of that today too. Let's get into it. I did end up getting some really nice big Brandywine tomatoes like this one, and my basil is looking a little rough, so I actually ended up using some store-bought basil. The bread recipe I'm using is made specifically for a bread machine. I tweaked it a little bit because I add a couple more things and I use like a different flour blend than they do, but this is the foundation of what I make. Perfection. I have to get the temperature to roughly like 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot. And then I'll need a tablespoon of sugar. I just like to use raw cane sugar. And this yeast is a special kind of yeast in the little individual packs, so that it doesn't need any preservatives, because I get a pretty bad skin rash whenever I have certain preservatives, so I tend to stay away from it. And then I've got 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And then all of this is gonna go in there. So many different types of flours and products. To make gluten-free bread, it takes a lot. So I've got just like general all-purpose flour, cassava flour, almond flour, flaxseed, pea protein, salt. It's a lot that goes into this. Oh my god! Should I? Ooh, looks kind of gross. Oh, let you do your thing. It's alive! She's quiet. She's done. The hook. I like to get the hook out. There we go. Otherwise you have a big fat hole in your bread. Let's push it back together. Bad boy. Look pretty good. Now we'll just let the bread rest and do its thing. And I'll take a nap too. Fine. From this side, it actually looks pretty good, and then you turn it around. Oh god, and then, oh god. Oh, I gotta throw it away. It's awful. No. I'm kidding. I didn't throw it away. Even though it's ugly, it is absolutely delicious. If you're gluten-free, you're used to this. I like to toast my bread for this sandwich. Yes, I'm using metal tongs in a toaster, which is not safe. That's why I unplugged it. Make sure you unplug your toaster if you're going to do this, please. I really need to get those wooden little tongs. I got my tomato and basil there, and this is vegan mayonnaise by Hellmann's. It is my favorite mayonnaise as a vegan, and trust me, there's really bad mayos out there, so pick a good one because it will make or break your sandwich. Then I just add a little salt and pepper to the tomato. And top it off with some fresh basil. Is it already over? That sandwich is so good. And it's December. I won't be able to have another one till next year. And by next year, I mean like August. So like 9 months. But it's worth the wait. It's delicious. It's so good. I hope you guys give it a try. If you haven't tried it already, give it a try. It's really delicious. Thank you so much to Jenny from Oh My Kiwi Cats for requesting the video. I love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and share with your friends. You know, all the things. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!